Good day, everyone. For today, I will discuss the chapter 4, conformations of alkanes and cycloalkanes. So I will start with the first part of our lesson, conformation of alkanes. Okay. So these are the key concepts that you have to remember to be familiarized with. First is conformation in alkanes. Alkanes can rotate freely around their carbon single bonds, leading to different spatial arrangements called conformation. I repeat, alkanes can rotate freely around their carbon single bonds. So you can see here, no? Nakaka-rotate siya dyan. Yan, nakaka-rotate yan. Just imagine na yung 3D yan. No? Leading to different spatial arrangement called conformation. This conformation interconvert rapidly at room temperature without breaking bonds. The study of this arrangement is called conformational analysis. Okay. So, the study of the arrangement ng carbon at hydrogen element, the compound itself is called conformational analysis. Yung mga different structures niya, no, na will be discussed mamaya. Okay? I hope it's clear. So, another term that you have to be familiar with is Newman projection. Newman projection views as a molecule by looking directly down the axis of a carbon bond. The front carbon, as you can see here, the front carbon is shown as a dot with 3 bonds at 120 degrees. No? Nakikita nyo naman dyan. No? Nasa 120 degrees yan. To. Yan. So, remember that Newman projection is useful for what? For analyzing torsional strain. No? Pwede siyang makaano kang torsional strain. It helps analyze torsional strain, steric strain, and relative stability of different conformation. No? I hope it's clear. Clear naman sana. No? Yun yung mga terms na dapat familiar kayo. So, we have staggered conformation. Staggered conformation is the bonds on the front carbon are positioned exactly between the bonds on the back of the carbon. 60 degrees dihedral. Yan, nandyan. I will show it to you, no? Mamaya. No? Sunod ito naman, eclipse conformation. Tandaan, eclipse is 0 degrees and 60 degrees naman ang dihedral angle. No? Ang staggered. No? Tandaan yan. You'll be needing that. No? So, this is the Sohor's projection. Yan. Ito. That's the Sohor's projection. It's a projection shows the carbon bond at an angle allowing three-dimensional perspective. It's an alternative to the Newman projection and useful for visualizing depth. Both representation are commonly used together. This is the Sohor's. But we will focus on Newman's projection. Okay? Diyan tayo magpo-focus. So, in making Newman's projection, as you can see here, no, as you can see here, 'di ba? Nakikita nyo naman. Yan. Ano nangyari dito? Yan, as you can see here. Yan. Dito, ito yung first part. In making a Newman's projection, you just have to read this. First, identify the bond you are looking down. Specify the carbon bond, C2 and C3 in butane. Indicate the viewing direction with an arrow or I symbol if needed. So, second is front carbon, proximal, represented by a dot, or the intersection point of three lines in a Y or upside down Y shape. Three bonds attached to this carbon radiate outward from the center at 120 degrees angle. Back carbon distal, represented by a circle around the dot, no? From three bonds, and the carbon also radiate at 120 degrees angle. Yan, bonds and substituent T central to carbon bond is implied straight along. It's not drawn. Attach substituent like hydrogen and chlorine to the ends of the line. Hydrogen are often shown explicitly in a simple case but can be omitted if clear. Conformation staggered bonds on the front carbon are offset. Yeah, you have to be familiar with it. I will show you how to do it sa end of this video, no? I'm just going to dictate how to use it, how to do it, and after explaining this part, we will proceed on the construction of Newman projection. Yeah, we will focus on propane, ethane, propane, and butane. Eclipse bonds on the front align directly with those on the back. Usually it's 0 degrees dihedral angle. Higher energy due to torsional strain, substituent overlap when viewed head-on. So, as you can see here, this is the different structures of Newman's projection. First, this is the fully eclipse, 0, di ba? 0 degrees, as you can see here, oh. Iyon lang to. Ito lang titignan nyo dyan. Yan, yung part na yan. Yung distance ng dalawa. As you can see here, it's 0 degrees. This one is 60 degrees, as you can see here. No? Yung distance nila is, no? Ang angle niya is nasa 60 degrees. And ito naman is 120, as you can see here. No? Ito 120 degrees. And ito naman is 180 degrees. Meron pa yan, 360 degrees. Anti-staggered is 120 degrees. Remember that eclipse is 120 degrees and gauge is 60 degrees and eclipse is 0 degrees. Yun yung mga kailangan yung matandaan in constructing these figures. Okay? So, ito naman. As you can see here, that is an illustration of what? It is an illustration of what? Of potential energy. Remember, the higher the potential energy, the lower the stability. No? Yan lang yan. Ang symbol dyan is, you just have to remember this symbol in determining the relationship of potential energy and its stability. The higher the potential energy, the lower the stability. No? Yan. Makikita nyo naman dyan, no? Mataas ang potential energy ng eclipse, no? Kaya, ba ang stability niya. Hindi siya stable, no? Ang 180 is very stable. Why? Because mababa ang potential energy. Kaya ito, this is the most stable. Stable to. Stable. Okay? I hope it's clear. Clear ba? I hope it's clear naman. So this is an example. I'll give an example. Wait lang. So, for example, ethane. Ethane, CH3. CH3. Ethane. First, I think you have to draw its Lewis structure to make it more, para madali ka makapag-draw. No? Para madali mo siya ma-illustrate, i-expand mo na muna siya. For example, in ethane, we have 2 carbon. Sunod, may, yan, 3 hydrogen dyan. Diba? Yan, 3 hydrogen. So, going to draw it. So, first, we have to draw a circle here. Ito yan. Sunod yan. This represent the carbon 1. Yan yung carbon 1, and we're going to make a Y shape, representing the 3 hydrogen. Yan yung 3 hydrogen. Yan. Nito, yan, no. Yan. Sunod, maggagawa tayo dito na sa likod is hydrogen. Hydrogen, then hydrogen. Yan lang pag-draw niyan. Ganyan lang. Ayan na yung confirmation confirmation of alkanes. No? Yun na yung pag-draw niyan. Imagine mo na lang na nasa likod yung second carbon. Nasa likod yung second carbon yan, no? Sa likod. Then, if we're going to make it less stable, pag less stable siya, magiging siyang eclipse. Ganito ang itsura niya. Giging less stable yan. Ganito ang itsura niya. Let's draw to. Yan. Then, H. Sunod, gamit tayo. Red. Sunod, yan. H. Less stable na yan. It's an eclipse na. No? Eclipse na yan. 0 degrees na yung distance. 0 degrees. Kaya eclipse na yan. Less stable na. Remember, potential energy. The higher the potential energy, the lower its stability. Okay? Yun yung sa ethane. Ito naman ay sa propane. Let's draw for the propane. Ito yung propane, ha. For example, CH3, CH2, and CH3. Ang pag-draw niyan is, i-expand mo to. Expand mo lang. Para ganito na lang pag-drawing mo niyan. CH3, H, C, H. So you can see here, remember na ang itatada mo lang dyan ining C2 and C3. C2, C3, carbon 2 and carbon 3. No? So, let's use this word, C2 and C3, to represent carbon 2 and carbon 3. Yan na bagay, nahiling niya nito. Yan. So, if we're going to draw it, we can draw it like this, no? Para ma-represent to, pwede to siyang i-drawing na arrow gani. H3. Pwede to siyang i-drawing na arrow gani. Yan. Actually, madami siyang structures. May staggered, may anti may stagger, may anti, full eclipse or gouge. Depende kung sa distance kang carbon, no? Sa isa't isa. Okay? For example, this one, we have here H and H, then yellow naman, yellow. Then we have here CH3, and CH3, H. As you can see, ang distansya niya ba, 'di ba, is almost 60 degrees. Nasa 60 degrees, 'di ba? Ang distansya niya sa sarong carbon nasa 60 degrees, kaya ini magiging staggered. Yan, staggered to. Staggered. Yan. Sunod, yan. That's the staggered part. Pag ang itsura niya arog kani, yan. For example, arog niya kani ang itsura kani, naging arog yang kani. For example, H. Sunod, naging blue. Yan. Na-erase. Wait. Yan. Kunyari, yan, si H3 na yan, magiging na ng eclipse. 0 degrees na ang distance niya. Bako ng 60 degrees. Okay? 60 degrees na ba? 'Di ba? Tingnan mo, oh. Yung distance niya. 60 degrees na. Okay? I hope it's clear. So we have butane. Butane naman, butane. CH3, CH2, and CH3. Yan, CH2, CH3. So ang magiging ano niya, ang i-ano mo diyan, ang ipa-prioritize mo diyan ang C2 and C3. Carbon 2, and carbon 3. If you're going to illustrate this one, ang itsura niya magiging ganito. You have to expand it first. Maging CH3, CH3. So if you're going to draw this, araw ka na kayo magiging itsura niya. For example, this one. Ayan. Yan ay magiging CH3, H, and H. Yan. Pag araw kayo ng distansya niya, 60 degrees, it's gouge. Na. Yan. Gouge yan pag ano naman, pag ganito naman ang itsura niya, pag ganito ang itsura niya, as you can see here, H. Ang distansya niya is, tingnan niyo, nasa 180 degrees. Magiging ano to? Magiging staggered to. Anti. Other term. Okay? Ito yung stable to, no? Less ang potential energy. Less potential energy. Yan. I hope it's clear. And I hope that you learned something. Thank you for watching, everyone. No? Sunod, I'll be... ito yung ano ha. Hindi ko pala yan sinabi kung anong diagram yan. This is called potential energy diagram. Okay? I hope that you've learned something, and please please review, study this because it might occur in your quiz. Your quiz would be chapter 3 and chapter 4. Chapter 3 to chapter 4 equivalent to 3 quizzes. It's 1 to 60, and I hope that you've studied, no? Thank you and have a nice day.